Well, boys, it looks like it's about that time. Time to do a little install on the Speed 3. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And by the time of this video, you guys already know exactly what's going on. We actually have these easy lip lips that we have. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of them. The easy lip, you just kind of just stick them on and they're good to go. Some people screw them in. Some people don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might just stick them on, see how they last, because one thing we do notice about the Speed 3 is that it has no side skirt extensions, like none. So we need to fix that and make it look a bit more even with the front lip. Honestly, I think I got way too many. As you can see, guys, I have like 3 sets of these easy lips that I just had sitting. So I figured, why not just put them to use, throw them on the Speed. We'll use one for the front bumper, and then we'll use the other 2 for the side skirts, and we'll see how it looks. Plus, it's really been a while since we actually worked on the Speed 3 or done anything to the Speed 3, so it'll just be a little bit more refreshing just to, you know, get my hands dirty. Now, if anything should be a simple install, it should be this. Like, this should give us like no trouble to put this thing on. But I'm just gonna lay these out just to get a good look on, you know, how I'm gonna do this thing. Okay, so here's kind of like a little look on how it'll be like. Obviously it's not on, guys, but you know, just a little like preview on how it will look like. I'm not sure how this thing will turn out, guys. Like, I really think this might turn out rather looking, you know, pretty damn good, or absolutely cheeks, like no in between. But comment down below, guys. I want to see what you guys will like vote. Do you guys think it will look good, or you guys think it will look bad? I'm on like 50-50 right now. But first things first, though, we actually have to go ahead and actually clean the bottom of the side skirts and the bottom of the lip so that this thing can actually stick on at its best. Sheesh. Can we take a moment to appreciate the Speed 3 right now? Like, it looks good, man. And started first try, purrs like a kitten. No problems, no anything, you know, knock on wood, obviously, but it's good, man. It's really good, especially for sitting all winter long. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Let's go ahead and air this thing up so I can go ahead and clean the underside of these side skirts and front lips. Damn, now she's a monster truck. Look at that. But I'm just gonna use this alcohol, 70% alcohol, whatever. It should work, right? Alright, boys, so check it out. We got the easy lip side skirt on there, and honestly, helps a little bit. You know, makes it a little bit, gives it a little bit more flair, I guess you can say. It's a good thing I have my own 3M tape, because the 3M tape that comes with these are absolutely trash, like so trash. So if you are gonna use this, honestly, just buy an actual like good quality 3M and just like put it over this, because yeah, the ones that come on these are absolute garbage. Check that out, guys. It actually looks pretty dang good. Like I said, I don't care if this falls off or whatever. This is just something just to try, just for the hell of it, since I have these here. But damn, it actually looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and do the front lip now. Alright, boys. Anyway, so quick update, we got the whole easy lip kit on. As you can tell, the front bumper went really well. It actually went perfectly. Full length of the bumper and of the lip. Then we go over to the side skirts. Side skirts are done. They match with the front bumper. And of course, on this side as well, we got the easy lip right down there. But now it only leaves one thing left. Let's actually air this car out and let's see how it'll actually look like. Oh my gosh, guys. Yo, that looks fire. I'm not even gonna lie. That turned out a lot better. Way better than I actually thought it was gonna come out. I had doubts. I'm not gonna lie. I had doubts. I think out of all of them, I am so proud of the front bumper, guys. Like, look at that. The front bumper fits beautifully. It's all nice, hug and snug. So it doesn't even like dangle or anything, but I guess we'll see after this thing is actually driven and it's on the roads and stuff like that. But holy, adding that little black lip piece around it actually helped. You can really see it the best from this angle right here. Like, it just looks so good how it just wraps around the front lip. The lip and the side skirts now like are equal and they match. It's not all mismatched and whatever. And yeah, man, I don't know, these easy lips are just a cool like little cheap alternative to just throw on, especially since you're gonna end up scraping these things anyway. So if they break, it's not really a big deal. You can just slap another one on and it's pretty much unlimited. Stop looking at this. Like, I actually like this more than I thought I actually would. I didn't think that this would actually like make that much of a difference, but honestly it helps. It looks really cool. But what do you guys think? Do you guys like it with this little easy lip kit around it, or should we take it off and just go back to how it was before? Let me know in the comments down below. But honestly, I think I'm gonna rock it for a little bit, or at least until it falls off. And yeah, man, it just goes to show that the smallest things do make a big difference, and it's another proven fact right there. But as I'm sitting here, I'm really like taking in just how blessed I really am. Have the Speed 3 there, have the EK back there, have the Del Sol right here. Like, this is crazy to think about. Like, 3 cars, guys. 3. Like, this is not normal. Normal people do not have multiple cars like this, but I'm forever grateful and huge praises to Jesus Christ. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. It was a pretty short, sweet, straight to the point install. Not hard at all. Anybody can do this. It's universal, so it'll fit anything. Just take your time. And the most important thing is, do not trust the 3M that comes on the Easy Lip. Buy the actually like good quality sticky 3M tape. It'll work a lot better. I'm glad, and I'm actually really lucky that I had a whole roll just sitting inside the toolbox, so it came in clutch. Without that, this would have went horribly. But if you guys went ahead and enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. I'm getting back into the groove of vlogging and just like filming again. And this video is actually filmed on my phone, not on the camera this time. You guys may notice the quality difference, but I'm just going back to the old school way of just filming on my phone and just switching it up. You know, I'll go back and forth between the two, but it's actually really cool to just film on the phone once again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.